Hello, my name is Jay. In this video, I will show you how to install Lightroom Presets on your Mac. After you download the presets will arrive compressed into a zip file, so you will need to unzip them because the preset will not install as a zip file. Okay, this is the preset that you have downloaded. First thing to do is unzip them, and there will be two folders of the preset and one installation guide. The files you need to install is .rr extension. Open your Lightroom, choose Lightroom, and then Preference. There will be a new window that appears and several tabs at the top of the new window. Make sure to select the preset tab. Click on the button labeled Show All Other Lightroom Presets. There will be a new Finder window that appears. Choose the folder named Develop Presets. Now, back to your preset folder. Copy the folder and then paste the folder into the Develop Preset folder. I recommend you to copy preset folder to this new location rather than moving it from its original location. The last step, just simply restart your Lightroom, and that is all. Your preset can now be found in the preset section of the Develop module of Lightroom. Enjoy it!